We know closing day can feel a little overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. At Safe Harbor Title, we're here to make it as smooth and stress-free as possible. So let's walk through what you can expect at your closing appointment.
First, plan for the appointment to take about an hour. It could be shorter or longer depending on the transaction, but we recommend setting enough time aside just in case. You'll need to bring a government-issued photo ID for each person signing the documents. And if you're bringing funds for closings, you'll need to have those funds sent via wire prior to your scheduled closing. You'll be signing a lot of documents, especially if you're purchasing with a loan. Don't worry, we'll walk you through each one and explain what it means. Our team is here to answer any questions you have in real time, so you feel confident with every signature.
Once we have received all of the funds and everything's signed, we'll record the documents with the county or city record room and your transaction will be finalized. We'll email you copies of signed documents, and most importantly, you'll leave with the keys if you're buying a new home.
We know it's a big day, and our goal is to make it a great one. Thanks for trusting Safe Harbor Title, where experience, guidance, and people you can count on make all the difference.